The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50-meter high, find the height of the building.
PQ be the tower. PQ be the tower. And AB is the building. PQ is the tower and AB is the building. It is given the question that tower PQ equal to 50 meter is given. And the question is given that from the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation to the top of the building. We know this is top of the building. So a person is standing at the foot of the tower and looking the top of the building at an angle of elevation of 30 degree. And at the same time, another person is standing at the position of B and looking the top of the tower at an angle of elevation of 60 degree. 60 degree. So here we are getting two right angle triangle. First one ABQ, second one BPQ. And in the triangle ABQ, the angle theta equal to 30 degree and the triangle PQB, the angle theta equal to 60 degree. It is given, the height of the tower is given. We have to find the height of the building H. This is very simple question and this is related with our daily life. So here we can apply trigonometric identities. Right triangle PQB, angle Q equal to 90 degree. So here we can use the trigonometric identities. Which trigonometric identities we have to use here? Because the known thing is PQ and the difference between this building and this tower is common. So that is BQ. So we are using, if it is theta, opposite side, adjacent side. So which trigonometric identity? We have to use tan theta here. So using tan theta, therefore tan theta equal to, we know what is tan theta? It is opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Therefore, what is here opposite side? Opposite side, what is opposite side is PQ, that is 50 meter, and adjacent side BQ, and theta equal to 60 degree. Therefore, tan 60 equal to opposite side PQ by adjacent side BQ. Tan 60, we know tan 60 equal to root 3. Root 3 equal to PQ, 50 is given question, 50 by BQ. So now doing the cross multiplication, we get BQ equal to 50 by root 3 meter. That is equation number 1. Now we are using the second right triangle. Which one? Second right triangle ABQ. Here angle B equal to 90 degree and the theta here 30 degree. Theta equal to 30 degree. So we have to get the value of H. This is opposite side. This is BQ. We know already, we have found BQ. So it's in adjacent side. So again we are using which trigonometric identity? We have to use here again tan 30. Therefore what we will get? Tan 30 equal to H, opposite side by hypotenuse, H by BQ. Now what is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 equal to, everyone know what is tan 30? Say again, it is 1 by root 3 equal to H. We have to find out H by BQ. We already got the value of BQ. After doing the cross multiplication, we can substitute the value of BQ. Now H by BQ. Now doing cross multiplication, what we will get? BQ equal to h root 3. BQ is equal to h root 3. Now we have to find out the value of h. Now what we substitute the value BQ, that is 50 by root 3 equal to h by root 3. Now this root 3, to get the value of h we have to remove this root 3 from here. It is coming to the opposite side, coming to the denominator. Therefore 50 by root 3 into root 3. How much root 3 into root 3? That is 3. So h. Therefore we are getting h equal to 50 by 3. Therefore we are getting h equal to 50 by 3 meter. Now divide 50 divided by 3 and get the value of h. Therefore h means the height of the building is 16.66 meter. Therefore the question is asked to find the height of the building. Therefore we have to write the answer. Therefore the height of the building. The height of the building is 16.66 meter.